You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word. It comes from French, hence perhaps the confusion in how it's to be pronounced. Spectacle is how it's said in French, but that's the plural. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation in English. Spectacles, alright, so you have three syllables. Both British and American English have similar pronunciations here. Spec, spec, t, t. So it's not a ta sound. Some may say it more as ta, but generally in English it's a schwa sound, t. Coals, so you could spell this K-L-Z, coals. The stress is on the first syllable. Spectacles, spectacles, spectacles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.